Greetings. We warmly welcome you to Glorium Technology's Knowledge Hub. How to hire Xamarin developers. Tips, tricks, and best options. Mobile apps have become vital to any business in today's digital world. Developing a mobile app can help companies to reach a target audience and improve customer engagement. Xamarin, a powerful cross-platform development tool, has become popular for building mobile applications. However, finding the right Xamarin developer for your project can be daunting. This article will discuss factors to consider when hiring a Xamarin developer. Xamarin is a development toolkit that allows developers to create iOS, Android, and Windows apps effectively. Xamarin allows us to use C#, F#, VB.NET, and other languages to develop our iOS, Android, and Windows applications. In cross-platform development, one platform's code and design elements are used when working for the future, which promises good savings. Xamarin is the best tool for such solutions. Answer 3 questions and it will be apparent if you need a Xamarin developer. Are your application interfaces without complex interaction logic and non-standard controls? Do you have mobile developers on your team? Are you planning other cross-platform projects, even if not Xamarin, soon? If you have answered yes to these questions, then hiring a Xamarin developer is a good investment for your team and project in the long term. What can a Xamarin developer do for you? A Xamarin developer with cross-platform development expertise can bring significant value to your business. They can develop new features and internal tools for the Xamarin project company. Develop and provide new application capabilities. Maintain and improve the existing code base. Participate in the development of the company's design system. Participate in design transfer sessions and code checks. Cooperate with a team of designers and IT specialists. Steps for hiring a Xamarin developer. Step 1. Examine previous experience. Experiences in past work and learning can be an excellent indicator of how a candidate works and how knowledgeable they are. The experience of a Xamarin developer depends on what position the candidate applies for. If it is a junior, it can be even 1 year, but for seniors, this will be 4+ years of commercial development experience. Step 2. Check the knowledge of Xamarin. Conduct a technical interview to test their knowledge of Xamarin development. Ask questions about Xamarin architecture, user interface design, data storage, and other relevant areas. You may ask a developer to complete a coding test to assess his coding skills and problem-solving abilities. It should include tasks relevant to the type of application you are developing. Step 3. Check soft skills. Assess the developer's communication skills during the interview process, taking note of their ability to explain technical concepts clearly and concisely. Ask the developer about their experience working in a team environment and how they approach collaboration and problem-solving with other team members. Step 4. Ask about professional improvement. In other words, does the candidate make an effort to stay in demand? For example, ask what technical editions he reads, what authors and personalities in the IT community he admires, and why. What are the differences between Xamarin freelancers and outsourcing companies? Experienced freelancers are well-versed in their fields. Therefore, it is faster to cope with a specific task. But a full-fledged application will always make the outsourcing company faster, in which each side of the project is engaged in a separate specialist. To get the desired result and not lose money, always check the portfolio of freelancers. Also, if you do not have programming knowledge, you will not be able to evaluate the skills of a Xamarin developer. In this case, you will either have to trust the feedback and portfolio or contact the outsourcing company, which will be a more reliable partner. It is necessary to evaluate the overall company data. Find out as much information as possible about the company to form your own unbiased opinion. With an outsourced company, you can check not only the portfolio, but ratings. For instance, examine Good Firms, AppFutura, and Google Business, Clutch, and real cases with reviews of customers. How to hire Xamarin developers from an outsourcing company. 1. Identify your goals. To get the desired result, you need not only to understand what you want clearly, but also explain it to the project manager. So before you start looking for a contractor to develop a custom application, decide on the tasks and objectives of the project. Don't worry about the detailed technical assignments. The most important thing is to contact an outsourced company with a clear application idea and an understanding of business logic. 2. Check experience with similar projects. Check out the relevant experience of the outsourcer. It is a big plus if the company develops similar applications for other clients. It means the team already knows the pitfalls, leading to fewer bugs in the process. 3. Ask clarifying questions. The more questions you ask, the better. Some customers perceive the outsourcing company's additional questions as a sign of unprofessionalism, but it is not the case. On the contrary, the more an outsourcer is interested in the project details, the more likely they will make the application quickly and up to par. 4. Check for post-release support. Making the application is but the start. Every product needs technical support and further development. If the company offers such a service and does not leave the customer one-on-one with the application immediately after release, this is a good sign. Usually, to support an application, 20 to 40 working hours per month should be reserved. We at Glorium can help you to hire Xamarin developers who fit your requirements as soon as possible. Contact us today. Thanks for listening to us. Learn more at gloriumtech.com.